Guys, welcome to my channel. I am Chetna. I make lifestyle related videos. So today's topic is, as you can see in the title, which is like a hair care routine. Okay, so most of us face like a hair problems and like which one to follow. Mostly in internet there are mostly many kind of hair care tutorials, and basically there are many fancy thumbnails which are just came out of salon, and there are many straight hair showing in the thumbnail, and people are so confused. Okay, so I thought maybe I can show my real photographs about my hair. Okay, so I haven't straightened my hair correctly, but this is like my real hair. So I just wanted to show you this is real, guys, and this is all the frizz you can see. This is my real hair, and I want to show you how hair care routine can be followed by the simple methods. It's not very much complicated. It's not very much you have to apply 2-3 masks daily. Not like that. Nothing. There are just simple lifestyle changes I did for my hair, and I have grown like this kind of length, like in very less time. So let's get started. Okay. So the first thing is like I want to just cover the topic about hair loss, and then we will go for the hair care tips. Okay, the first thing is hair loss. Okay, so why changes and everything? There are there are many kind of stress we used to take in daily basis. Stress, apart from stress, there is a pollution also. So basically when I take lot of stress, I can see a quite amount of hair fall. Basically it happens with me. So this is the kind of thing which is like I do not take stress generally nowadays, because I do not if there is something happens, I used to sort out early, so I do not take lot of stress. And the second point is pollution. Okay, so nowadays there's a lot of pollution. I think their hair loss can be many hair loss can happen due to many changes, like lack of vitamins or proteins in your body. So if your hair is losing significantly, then I will suggest you to go to dermatologist, because earlier in 2019 my mother got a very hair loss problem, and now she is fine, because after going to dermatologist, after taking such medication, when she came back, she followed some of the routines, and now she is doing well, and her hairs are also going well. Okay, so this is the one thing. Okay, though the second thing is like hair loss due to pregnancy. And right now my daughter is like 1 year old now. So basically I also basically people also got like a hair fall problem. I was not in that kind of situation. As you can see, like my hair is doing totally fine, and I'm a new mother. Basically I haven't went to that phase where the people are having the hair loss problem. Okay, so what I have taken in pregnancy, what really helped me is like maybe this is a cliche for many of the people, but I have taken those laddus, yeah, those pregnancy laddus. So I have taken those soat laddus, and black sesame seed laddus. Those are very delicious, by the way. Okay, so my mom used to tell me before pregnancy, okay, you have to eat those laddus, and I don't know how you will eat it, but you have to eat it after pregnancy. I was like, okay, nowadays who eat all those laddus? But I was like, okay, fine, if she is giving me with so much love, why shouldn't I take it? So that was the reason behind it, and I was totally shocked by using those sesame laddu, sorry, not using, by eating those sesame seeds laddu, and like there was not a significant hair loss, because I was well prepared that okay, after having a baby, everybody is going through that hair loss situation. Okay, those laddus are very delicious, by the way. If you want the recipe, I will leave a link in the description, like some of the other YouTubers might have shared those recipe. I will link it below. Okay, so that was the one. And the second thing what I did is like I prepared I prepared some magic oil. Okay, so what is this magic oil is, I took a handful of fenugreek seeds and handful of kalonji. Okay, so I mixed them together in a mortar pestle. Okay, I just gave it a rough rough crush in the mortar and pestle, and it was like coarsely, when it was coarsely grind, I added like 1 cup of castor oil and sorry, half cup of castor oil, and like it was like 1.5 cup of coconut oil. So 1:3 ratio should be there, and 1 is of course the castor oil, because that is a very thick oil, by the way, so you need a good wash after that. So basically I apply it in weekly twice, and I use my regular shampoo like Tresemme, and I use it the regular conditioner like the Tresemme keratin smooth conditioner and keratin smooth shampoo. I will link it below in the description. Okay, so basically conditioner help me a lot in the case like where do have the basically in the ends people do get cuts in the split ends, but I haven't done any kind of, I haven't went through any kind of haircuts, because in the end it is doing very fine because I applied the conditioner throughout. So it is behaving well for me, my hair is behaving well for me. Okay, so yeah, so if not the magic oil or nothing like that, before 1 month also I applied the normal parachute coconut oil. That is a very much good, like you don't have to go and buying the fancy organic coconut oil like so, but the normal parachute coconut oil is very good for hairs. Okay, so many videos suggest that you have to do the back combing for for your blood circulation. Okay, so I did that, I did practice the back combing, but I have not, so with a little twist I do it. Like what I do is, in a shampoo, when I'm doing a shampoo, I just flip my hair in the downwards direction, and I used to I used to come like I used to put this shower waters here in my back. Okay, so it was like okay fine, and I used to put a shower in a high speed basically, and the waters all come and pour through, and it will give a good massage. So good shower is also a very great thing for your hairs. Yeah, so the next point is the hair color. Okay, so what happened is like I do have few gray hairs because of the pregnancy stress. So what I did was, like I was basically in search of salon in this corona time where they are taking the full precautions and everything, but somehow I realized that that was not a very good option in this particular time, because I'm little bit skeptical searching a salon and going to there and like that. So I basically did it in my home. As you can see, the shine and the moisture, everything is very good. So I applied Kama Ayurveda henna powder, and along with that I applied indigo powder. Okay, so they come generally in 100 grams pouch. So basically this is a new launched product, and this is not a sponsored video, by the way. So I applied those two things, and yeah, so I took a whole 2-3 hours for that, and I applied it basically. So it is gonna take, like it will gonna take more and more time for you, but it is very natural and it is very convenient for those who are looking for a good hair color hair color in the corona time. So this is a very good option. Okay, so these few things I have applied for my hair, and I have grown my hair like this long. So you can take inspiration from this video, and hoping to see you again. So yeah, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay glamorous, and always be kind. Thank you so much.